One, two, three. Sorry, so. Hello, hi ma'am. My name is Joshua Ogdol, and I am here to explain of how this this output function. So first, so this is the output of the website, the output of the activity one. So API. So this is the search bar and the search button. So when I search the username of the user, so it will be display. So it will display the info of the user, the email, name, home, city, state, zip code, and website. So if I uh, uh, if I wrong if marong na ko correct marong na ko put ang username, which is like here, like Josh, I put the Joshua and no one there. So no one, this username is not found. So it will be no much user found. So, and if I search, click the button of the search bar, search, which is if if I click this, it will be pop up the please enter a username before to search. So you need to search before you click the button of the search. So if I search please and click and yeah, info. So the code here. So this is my HTML and this is my no this is a JPEG. This is my GS and this the CSS. So here in the GS, so as in function search user, so uh, the search user, so is a content search term document that get element ID in the search input and the concept list document get element ID user list. And this line, this search input is then retrieves the value of the entered by the user. So in the input field with the ID. So yeah, if we search like if you search the if you search this is the search term so that you can search like every ID. So yeah, so this line also is used for this, also used for this. So this document like element ID user list. So the variable of user list selects the HTML. So I call the this or this. So selects the HTML element with the ID. So which is the container which where the search, then the search the results. So if if you found the user or the if you found the user, so it will display like para ganina ato. So yeah, and this user list in HTML. So blind user list that in HTML is equal to something like that. And it gives an it previews content in the content in the container before. So showing the new result. So yeah, if hindi siya mababalik-balik bitaw, like if mag-search kung kuan mo balik na ba yun, hindi siya magbalik-balik bitaw kuan, and then yeah. So this line search term please not. So this if we search the if we click like kanina, if we click the search bar, there is this. If we click the search bar, it will be pop up this. So that is the purpose of the search term, this alert. So this fetch, this is the fetch, this line initiates the fetch request to API. So which return of the list users in the JSON. So muna siya kani eh, to JSON to user what do you call this ka ng mga list sa user like they kan mo siya. So then this line is the then that So once the response received from the API, so it is converted to a JSON. So to a JSON format. So yeah, and this data then line here, this search term, something. The data filtered to find users whose username contains the search term. So the filter function check each username property and includes the search term. So yeah, so determines if the search term is the part of the username. So it will be like if magka-match sila, like example if sakto ni siya nga kuan, so magawas ang what we call this, magawas ang result o magawas ang info sa username. So if match where is the A here. So if match your users that line is triple equal 0, so it will the user list and energy is equal to P no matching where user found. So if you na like if mamali ka if mali iyang kuan or hindi mo iyang username, it will be this mo gawas ni siya like kanang let me show you. If mali siya kuan tapos I search my name, if kuan siya which is gawas ni siya. So wala siya na wala kani nga kuan kani nga username wala siya nakita dito sa kuan. Uh, this what do you call this, the this JSON placeholder type for user. So this matching user, so this is the display or the display of the user info. So like if ever nga mag-match iyang username sa user, so kani ang gawas like kani siya kani. So if makita ang like sakto ang pagkuhan sa user name sa user, so mo mong makita which is katong mga info sa sa user. So we call this this is the info. So back to the code. So and the lastly is like and lastly I usually is append child. So usually the method adds the user detail. So tao ni more siya ka ng if ma-adjag ka ng dito ka sa user ito if ever nga like magawa mo work siya kumbaga makapalit siya ka ng kanyang kaning container bitaw magawa siya dara. So yeah, lastly is the cache error, something console sorry error if kuan if wala na if mag-error yung kuan so mo ni siya ang magawa as like error fetching that data. So mag-error siya kumbaga kani siya word kana mo pop up because something ana para ani nga code like nani siya mo alert bitaw. So if mag-error ang kaning website, so mag-error po ng pag-fetch po sa data, so magubay mong buwan. So yeah, that's all, ma'am. Thank you.